welcome back. As you can see, this week we've actually got the Varadero back in the garage. Again, obviously regular maintenance. Today, oil filter change. I say it's done well throughout the winter. Needs a good clean up, but oil changes first. So got the parts already on the bench. New oil filter. I will be doing plugs at a later date. New sump gasket, and obviously 1040 semi, which is what I always use. So let's get cracking. Alright, so first thing I need to do is actually remove this belly pan here. There's a bolt there, and obviously I need to take the bracket off of the side frames. And I don't know if you can see it, there's another bolt just down here. So let's get them off. Alright, so I've done the other side. Just going to do this one here. Obviously the first thing I forgot to mention is obviously you need to warm the bike up for about 3 to 5 minutes. Just to get the engine warmed up and get the oil actually flowing, so it makes it easier when you drain. That's that one out. Right, the next bolts, there's actually one here and one the other side. You actually have to take this beam off. So let's just quickly get this off. Again, keep everything together as you take it out. Put it back on. Alright, that's one side done, so I'll just get the other side done. Alright, managed to get the main beam out across, which basically holds the engine crash guards in place. I've undone the other bolt the other side, so it's just this one here. And there we go, that's that one out. And there's the belly pan. Right, those of you that aren't familiar with how the Varadero is set up, basically a Varadero engine is a XL1000 engine. Very strange configuration at the front. Obviously here you've got your fuel pump, there's your oil filter. And obviously your starter motor in there as well, so very weird setup, but sometimes it does actually help accessibility. You can actually get to things a lot easier. So obviously today I need to drain the oil out, I need to get this filter off, so let's get that done. So that's what I've got to undo next. Obviously, drip tray. Alright, so it's this bolt here, which is a 12mm drip tray at the ready. Alright, and just let that drain out. And the new washer on. Back into the sun plug. Obviously for torque specifications, obviously check your manual. Any excess just wipe round. So that bit's done. Move the drip tray forward. So obviously now we actually need to get the filter out. Right, one last wipe round. I need to screw the new one in. And that's the new filter in. Alright, so start pouring. Not sure if you can see obviously with fresh oil, it's just underneath that line. So that's taken so far about 2 litres. So now I'm going to actually run the engine, get it circulating round, and then top up as necessary. Alright, run the engine for a bit. Now continue topping up. Right, and then check the level again. You should be able to see that. Let me just zoom in. There we go. And as you can see, the level's up to the line. So that's taken 4 litres so far. Obviously you need to check your manual when you're doing a full oil change of the specifications of how much you need to actually top up. So now I'm going to run it again. I did actually buy a little bit extra, so I do have another litre. So I'm going to run the bike again, then we'll check the level. Right, I've now run the bike for, well, it got up to a full operating temperature. As you can see there. Obviously the important thing to remember, obviously when you're doing this, is ventilation. Keep the garage door open. Lucky I've got a garage door and a side door, because exhaust fumes can be quite lethal. So we just check around the side again. Check the level, and that is fine. So all that's left to do now is put back the cowl again. Obviously I'm going to wait for this exhaust to cool down a bit. So as soon as that's cool enough, I'll actually put the cowling back on. Right, bike's cooled down enough. All that's left now to do is reinstall the cowling. So there's one of the bolts. That's that side done. Move around to the other side. And it's just this last one to do. Right, all that's left now to do is reinstall the bar and the bolts, basically which join here and on the other side to hold the crash bars in place. So that actually goes behind the exhaust. Just loosely put that in place for now until I can get the other side done. Right, I've now done the other side, so now I can tighten up this side. And that's it. Right, I hope that helped. Doing the oil change on the XL1000 Varadero. Anybody that has any comments or questions, etc., please put them in the box below. Obviously, please remember to like and subscribe. As I said before, I am a growing channel. I do try to vary my content. Obviously, my main thing is the Street Fighter build, but obviously with the bikes I've got the Varadero, I've got an ST, and obviously I've got a Booster. There are regular maintenance things that come up as well, so I will be filming most of the stuff I do. Again, obviously later on in the year I do touring, so I try to vary my videos. So next episode I'll probably be back on the Street Fighter project again. So thanks for watching, and join me again next time. Cheers.